Hi everyone, I'm solVEON.
And I'm shoVESS. Today we will take you to an event with us.
Okay, this is our fit check.
Your bag?
I'm gonna show the top. My bag also got like this.
Not as sexy as mine. Okay, but I want to see what's something different about solVEON. And small ones. Okay, yeah, you will officially see her without her bracelet. Wow. Yeah, right. Oh, the butterfly is so cute.
Few moments later.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
This is so disgusting. Look at this. Wow. When a bird should draw on your forehead, what does it actually mean? Is there a meaning for it? It means I think luck. Okay, now I am gonna change position. I don't want to take picture here anymore. It's not my day, man. I've just googled and it says that it's actually my lucky day or like something good is gonna happen. But I'm not a superstitious person, so I don't really like believe in this kind of thing. Yeah, so but maybe something good is really going to happen. I'm not too sure, but something's brewing. I agree. So this is probably a sign for me. Okay, now I'm gonna head to a place where there's no trees to take my Instagram picture. It's really gross. I really want to go home and eat it now. You don't know this Instagram worthy place? It's at Design Orchard. Yeah, there's a car park next to it where people usually take their pictures there. Don't say bojio. Okay, after this she's gonna go collect her retainers for her braces. I mean what actually I don't know. I don't wear braces. I don't ask for braces. It's what braces. Yeah, After braces thing.
it's a what?
It's an after braces thing.
Okay, so yes. See you there.
Then just collected the retainers.
Show your retainers.
There's 2 pink retainers.
Yes.
So how long do you have to wear it for?
1 year and 1 baby.
Are you happy that you have no more bunny too?
Stop. Okay, but yeah, it's a journey. Congratulations, very proud of you. That you have no more body too, and you're more confident about yourself now. Okay, now we're gonna have dinner. I don't know what we're gonna eat, but yeah, let's go. Alright, that's the end of our event day.
What are you doing?
Yes. Yeah, that's the end of our event day. We will see you next week for our cafe invitation. Yes. Bye.
1 week later.
Okay, this is our feed for today. Ujicha and the signature dark chocolate with blue cheese. The ice cream. Yeah, so very tiny. Okay, I want to flash it up and then I try the other flavor. Which is nice. Never tried it. Ujicha flavor. Yeah. Oh my gosh, damn good eh. What's your shoVEON? Damn good eh. Sure, me. Well, where are we at now? Night festival. I cannot hear you. Night festival. It's I do not like crowds. I'm just gonna take my pictures and leave. But yeah, I will enjoy the lights. It's very nice one. But can you face the bubble one? It's one the ball very nice. How is this? How is this? Nice lah. Do the closing. Like what? Do the closing. Right. Okay, so we have come to the end of our video for the day. We hope you enjoyed watching us. Thanks so much for watching our vlog. We hope you enjoyed it as always. Remember to
Like, subscribe, and follow our Instagram.
over here. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.